How can I view resumes of potential staff? If you're hiring through VirtualStaff.ph and want to review resumes of applicants, it's quick and simple. Follow the step-by-step instructions to view staff profiles and download their resumes. Step-by-step guide to viewing resumes. 1. Log in to your VirtualStaff.ph account. Go to VirtualStaff.ph and log in using your registered email and password. 2. Access your dashboard. After logging in, you'll be directed to your employer dashboard. 3. Navigate to active roles. On the left-hand menu or main dashboard view, locate and click on the Active Roles section. This will show all the job roles you've posted that are currently live. Select the job role. Click on the specific job title for which you want to review potential staff. This will open a list of potential staff and suitable matches. 5. Browse potential staff. Scroll through the list of suggested staff. These are individuals whose skills and preferences align with your job role. 6. Click Review Staff Profile. For candidates you find potentially suitable, click the Review Staff Profile button. This will open their full profile in a new browser tab. 7. Review Profile Details. On this page, you can view comprehensive information including personal details, bio and background, education, employment history, preferred monthly salary, top skills, uploaded resume. 8. View Resume Document. To access their resume file, scroll below the profile image and click the View Resume button. 9. Resume opens in new tab. The resume will open in a new tab or window, allowing you to download or read through it at your convenience. Need help? If you face any issues viewing resumes or accessing staff profiles, feel free to reach out to our support team via the Help widget inside your dashboard or email us at support@virtualstaff.ph. We're here to help you hire virtual staff faster and more effectively. Remember, you're always just one virtual staff seat away from reliable, affordable staff.